Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Today we're going to take you through a brokerage listing. We have a 2012 Chris Craft 29 Suntender, one of their all-time classics. Amazing boat for running around with family. Lots of features packed into this 29 center console. Starting up on the top, you can see the oversized sunshade, and then this does have an extension that comes back into the cockpit. Powered with twin Mercury 300s. Great power, boat runs awesome. We have a very pretty silver metallic hull side with a black boot stripe. The owner of the boat did install a bow thruster in 2021. We have a windlass anchor. Both port and starboard hull sides look really nice. We'll step aboard the boat here. It does have the real teak upgrade, so we have teak throughout the entire boat, starting here on the swim platform, but also on the top sides, all the way up to the bow. It just got done raining, so everything's a little wet. We still have some of the covers on, but back here in the cockpit, you kind of have a U-shaped seating arrangement. That area that you see open, if you look in the photos, we'll include the link here in the YouTube video. There is a filler cushion that fills in that center area. And then we have a great seating arrangement that wraps around. And again, you do have an extension that pulls back into the cockpit to protect the seating here in the back from the sun. We have a teak table that will drop in right to this insert on the floor. We actually have a cool box underneath this seat. Nice helm seats here, armrests on both sides, diamond stitching, very, very nice condition. These Mercury throttles, brand new, just replaced. Garmin autopilot, Garmin touchscreen GPS, which was replaced in 2020. Fusion audio, Garmin VHF. There's your bow thruster control. Great JL audio system throughout. Vinyl flooring in nice condition. Spacious bow, wraparound seating. Access to your windlass up there. Here's a shot looking back at the boat. We have a marine grade head inside the console. Again, this is a 2012 Chris Craft 29 Suntender. My name is Brian McGlenn. Would be happy to show you the boat or tell you more all about it. Please feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you very much for watching.